Hi guys, so today we're doing what? We're going to a farm, to a petting zoo. So let's see who's going to have the most fun. You guys are ready?
I am.
Alright, let's do it.
Baba, can we go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Alright, sounds good. What do you guys want?
I want the glaze. If they have those Munchkins powdered donuts,
Okay.
then can you give it to me? But I want 10 of those.
Alright.
I want Dunkin' Donuts.
Alright guys, so we're going to make a quick stop at Dunkin' Donuts. And Alapon wants his donuts. And we're going to go and get some donuts. Alright, we want glazed donuts, we want coffee, and what else?
What can I get started for you?
Hi, could we have 2 glazed donuts, please?
Okay.
And 1 medium hot coffee with 2 creams and 2 Splendas, please.
Medium hot, 2 cream, 2 espresso. Is that it all?
That'll be it, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ow!
What did you say?
Daniel said, we're gonna go to the house and then we're gonna go to farms. Then we're gonna go to farms. I'm sorry, you need to take a tickle.
We're making video. And we are here, guys. Alright guys, let's go. You guys want to do? Adam.
Hey, we're at the farm right now and we're gonna show you all the animals.
Alright, let's go. Let's get the food
I
first,
want to
right?
feed the
Okay, he wants to feed the horsey. Donnie, you want to feed the horsey?
Ellie.
Let's go. Chicken. Can you tell us what's going on?
So first we have the food.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like.
Okay, this is like what, animal food?
Yeah.
Daniel, what do you got?
The cups.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna do it with the hand, right? Now we're gonna have to do it with the hand?
So first we just get the food in the cup and then
Alright, let's go. Alright, Adam, let's see how... Look at that. How did you do that? What's his
so
name?
first we just put our hands.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Can we go ahead and tell Daniel, can you do it?
See, this is how you
No, it's not. Daniel, do it with the hands.
see like this. Guys, let me
Oh,
show
okay.
you. So guys,
Okay.
first you get some food in your
Okay.
hands.
Yeah.
And then you just go to a horsey, and then they will eat it.
Look at that. Nice. Alright, Baba's turn. Here you go, buddy. Look at that.
Now let's go feed the big horse.
Yeah, let's go feed the big horses, guys.
He can bite me.
Yeah?
No, he can bite me.
No, it's not gonna bite you.
Yes, he
Can you do it with the hand?
No, let me show you.
Alright, Don, Adam,
You have
Hans.
to throw it. See? Now they're gonna eat it.
You're right.
It's like mine. It's like mine.
I know, I saw that.
Guys, look. Look at that. I got chicken. Here's the more.
Don't do that. You're wasting food, buddy.
You just eat it.
He's not eating it? You want to touch it? Want to pet?
I want to see a small one.
Okay.
Papa, I
Adam.
want to go and feed the big
Oh, let's go to the big horse.
Why you do that?
Go ahead. Ooh, look at that. Adam, what's the name of this horse?
I don't know.
Huh? His name is Brownie. Yeah?
It looks like a brownie.
It looks like a brownie?
Feed the horsey.
Okay, give it to me in the hand. Go on.
My hands look. Wait, come.
Well, that. All right, Adam, go ahead, try again.
Can you come? I want to feed the goat.
Okay, you want to feed the goats? Guys, you want to go feed the goats?
No bunny.
There's no bunny. Bunny's down there.
Huh?
Let's go and find the bunnies.
Bunny.
Adam, so what was the name of this horse?
Brownie.
Brownie?
And his name is Oreo.
Its name is Oreo, not his. Its name is?
Oreo.
Oreo. Okay, which one do you like better? Do you like the black horse? Do you like the brown horse? Or do you like the Oreo horse? These horses are big. You like one?
I like Oreo.
Okay. Daniyal,
Cause
who's your favorite
look at
horse?
him. Chicken.
Chicken horse?
Hey, so let's go to the goat.
Oh, let's go to the goats. Huh? You're scared? Donna, try again. Donna, can you try again?
They're fighting. They're fighting.
Oh, man. Donna, you can try again. Go try. Big boy sheep? Come on, Donnie, you can do it.
There's a lot of scared.
It's lots of scared. Oh, look at your brother. Look at your brother.
That's big. I want to hold. I want to pick you.
You may not want to keep your hands so inside the dog. I don't know if that makes sense.
Hey, that's brownie.
Look at that. Adam, make it do it again. Make it do it again.
No, he's brownie. He's brownie.
Oh, here you go.
My watch, he's gonna do this.
That's funny. Good job.
How does he?
They're small. Can they do it? Well, he's a big guy, so.
The king.
The king? What's his name?
I don't know, but I have a little bit of food.
Okay. So because you have been wasting all your, well,
Oh, he pooped.
you've been feeding all your food. Okay, so once you're done, let's go to the ducks. You want to go to the ducks?
Yeah. See? Picture.
Let's see if your brother can. Let your brother do it. Daniyal, you did it.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, I did it.
Nice.
I'm almost out of food.
Okay, we'll get more food. It's okay.
Give me food. No.
Okay, buddy? Okay, hold it. Alright, let's give me 1 second. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Bye, Daniyal. Bye, Daniyal. Let me see your smile. Let me see your smile. Yes. Bye. Smile. Smile. Daniyal, smile. Cheese. Let's go, bud. We're gonna get some food. Oh, Donnie, you want to pet the horse as well? Wow. What's this? What's the horse's name? Graffiti. I love the name. And who's Rusty? Anyone named Rusty? Let's just call him Rusty. Daniyal. This is the horse's name is Graffiti.
One more bucket, please.
One more for each of you or just for you?
Just one, please.
Just one?
Here you go.
Give me room.
We'll get you more.
Thank you.
Adam, you have to share it with your brother. Leave it there so we can share it with your brother, okay? Alright, yes, I'm gonna add more for you, okay? Let's do that. Adam, right here. Look. Daniel, can you see Chief? Chief is inside? Oh, Chief is inside. Adam.
I don't feed it.
Can you give a hug to this horse?
Hey.
Can you give a hug? Nice. Daniel, can you give a hug? Yes?
Hey, wait, let me give you.
Daniel can do this one thing. Good job, boys.
Daniel, like this. Ah!
Let's see. Daniel, good job. Don't clean it with your shirt, buddy.
Donkeys.
Let's go to donkeys in few. Can you feed the sheeps? Adam, can we tell them sheep facts? Female sheep are called sheep. Male sheep are called rams. Baby sheep are called lambs. Adam, did you know that?
Yeah.
A 1-year-old sheep is called Hogget. A 2-year-old is called Tutu. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. Adam, what are you doing? What's the name of this donkey? Huh? Hey,
His name is Dusty because he's dusty.
his name is Dusty? Hey, Daniel, what are you doing, buddy? You're driving. And Adam, what are you doing?
I'm gonna jump off the thing.
You're gonna jump off? Let's see if we can do that. Oh, was that a big jump? Was that a big jump?
Oh my god. No.
All right, let's see. Adam is gonna show us a big jump.
Not a big one.
Okay, not a big one. All right, let's just maybe like a small one. Ooh, impressive. Impressive. Okay, let's see. Oh man, that was just like a baby jump. Let's see. Adam, you gonna do another jump?
I'm just gonna swing high.
Okay.
Look how high I am.
Wow. Tanya, are you having fun? Yes? What is your favorite animal so far? Yeah, what is Daniel doing? What? Daniel, there's a monster chasing you. Wow. There's a monster chasing you. Whoa, what are you doing? What is that? You want to see? Okay, let's see what's going on inside. Daniel, go inside. Go inside.
You're gonna be scared.
Gonna be scared? Okay.
I can drive.
You need to drive? Can you drive? Good job. Alright, who is this guy?
His name is Jack Sparrow.
Jack Barrows? Or is it Jack Sparrow?
Jack Sparrow.
Okay. Look at these rabbits.
Can we feed them?
Yes, we can.
But they already have their food.
Well, maybe they eat different kind of food. Hi, rabbit. This is Eva.
Oh!
Oh, look at
I
this.
knew it.
Adam, that's cool. We're gonna go inside and feed the cows, okay? And so, what's the name of this guy? Can you spell it?
Memphis?
M-U, Mu,
Mufis?
Mufa,
Mufasa? Mufasa?
Mufasa.
Mufasa.
Good job.
Oh.
See the chicken? Huh? Let's go get the chicken. What kind of chicken is that?
Subway.
What?
Subway.
A Subway? What is that?
It's a turbo chicken.
Turbo chicken?
It's a blue.
Daniel, what kind of chicken is that?
There's someone in there.
You want to get inside?
Oh,
Are you sure?
shit.
Okay, I don't know if you're supposed to go inside.
It's okay. Okay, buddy.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Feed the horse?
Oh, shit.
Okay, let me have some water. You want me to feed the horse?
I want to feed the food. Where are you dropping the food? Wait, let's get that big one. The big one.
Daniel is still afraid. Daniel, you keep cleaning your hand with your shirt, right?
No.
No, you are.
Yeah?
Yes, you are. Keep doing that again and again.
Mama, give me some leaves.
I don't know if the leaves are good for them, but better.
They are.
Well, we don't know. They might get sick. They might get an upset stomach. We don't know. Guys, we're not going to feed the animals like these leaves.
Why do they eat them?
Well, I know they eat them, but some leaves cannot be good for them, right?
Get up now. Now you have to get higher. See? Get higher. Hey.
What's the name of this goat? Bouncy? Tolly.
No, Molly Bolly.
Tolly Bolly?
No, Molly Bolly.
What's going on, guys? Oh, look at Adam. Come on. Alright, now you want to try? Yes.
Daniel, look. Can you flash on my Baba?
Yes. Yes. Oh, let's get some ice cream, guys. Let's go. Alright, so we had a lot of fun today, guys, right? Adam, which one is your favorite animal?
The goat
Goats.
and the horses.
Horsey, which one? The blackie, the brownie, or the cookie? The cookie guy. Oreo.
And brownie.
Yeah.
And tall guy.
Okay. So who wants to go?
And all of the horses.
So let's go home now. Well, before we go, Daniel, did you have fun, buddy? You did? We're gonna do it again? Okay, let's go ahead and say bye to everyone. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
And we're gonna see you later. What are we gonna do right now? We're gonna have some ice cream. We're gonna go home, right? See you guys later. Bye.
I'm so happy just to be with you.